Hi guys, welcome to xTool. This is Twiggy. Today we're going to be doing some unboxing of our xTool F1, the world's fastest, most portable IR and diode laser. Except for xTool F1, we also have pipe, power adapter, power cable, USB cable, triangular prism working panel, L-shaped positioning piece, lens-free cloth, key, spare part, grace, material pack, user manual. Pull up the protecting shell. You can find the base plate, L-shaped positioning piece inside the form. To ensure the best experience of using F1, make sure to connect xTool F1 with our desktop smoke purifier. Connect xTool F1 to a power supply. On the side of F1, there's an instruction label. As you can see right here, the first part is to tell you how to use the knob. For example, you can turn it up, you can turn it down. And the second part is to tell you that different lights indicate the different state of the machine. And in the last part is the three very important things that you need to notice before using xTool F1. Rotate to reset the stop emergency button. Check the key if it's in the slot. Remove the protector from the laser lens. As we all know, xTool F1 is the world's fastest, most portable IR and diode laser, which allows you to work on more than 300 materials. Now let me demonstrate you how xTool F1 can cut and engrave on materials. First, you want to use USB to connect our F1 with our laptop. You can download our xTool Creative Space software on our website. There are three types of versions that you can download for F1. First is the laptop version for both Windows and Mac. And you can download also for your mobile phone, iOS, Android, and you can also use it for your iPad. On xTool Creative Space, click Connect Device. Place the material on the base plate. Import the image file, and then we need to set the focus. There are two types of ways of focusing. First is manually focusing. Let me show you how. By switching the knob up and down until the blue laser spot and the red laser spot meet together. Another type of way of focusing is auto-focusing using our xTool Creative Space. First, you want to make sure you complete the initialization of the auto-focusing. Press the button right here, so the laser head is about to be lowered to reset. Please do not place secret items over 10 centimeters on the floor to avoid damaging the equipment. As you can see right here, the laser head is moving down to find its position. Now it has completed the initialization of autofocusing. Right now, you can manually input the thickness of the material. The laser head will adjust its focusing according to the thickness that you have input in our software. Next, set all the parameters in our software. There are two types of way of framing. First is the rectangular framing, and the second is the outline framing. And for this project, we're going to use the outline framing. Click Framing to check the processing area. Now we can go to Process. Put down the protecting shell and press the button here to start engraving on the project. Our protecting shell can effectively block infrared and blue light laser, protecting you from laser harm. When you want to cut your material, make sure to place the triangle prism working panel on the base plate. Make sure the direction is facing towards the fan for a better smoke exhaustion. And now you can place the material on top of it. Choose the image that you want to cut on your material. Choose the type of material that you want. For example, right now we're doing 3mm basswood plywood. Click on that, and it will automatically insert the thickness of that material. Select the image, and you will see all the suggesting parameters on this side. For example, we're going to use the blue light. We're going to set the power to 90% and set the speed to 4 millimeters per second in one pass. Make sure that you choose Cut, and let's go to Framing. As you can see the framing on the material. Stop framing. Go to Process. Hit the process one more time. And once you hit that beeping sound, the machine is ready to go. So before processing the project, make sure to close the lid and put on protective goggles. xTool can be used in multiple scenarios. You can remove the base plate to process a larger material. Remove the base plate. Place xTool F1 on the material. You can also process a material at different angles. Remove the base plate. Hold xTool F1 on the material. And if you remove the base plate to process the material, you need to set the focus manually. Turn the knob up and down to allow the red spot to meet the blue spot. We also have this very cute L-shaped positioning piece to help you batch producing your project. Put the retaining frame to the position that you desire and place the material against it. Press the button on here to start to engrave. That was very fast. That's our first one. And then you're going to take the first one off, put the second one to the corner, double pressing on the bottom right here. Our second one. So that's how you can batch processing your project on our F1. To avoid any incident during using our xTool F1, you can use the emergency stop button to cut off the power, and you can twist the button right here to allow it to go back to the beginning state. To avoid the incident of other people using your xTool F1 laser machine, you can take the key with you. But if you happen to lose one, don't worry, we got you covered. We have a spare one for you in the box. So how do we take care of our F1 on a daily basis? For example, sometimes you might notice the decrease of laser energy. The laser mark is not deep enough, and sometimes some material cannot be cut through. That might be because the laser lens is dirty. You can use a lint-free cloth and some alcohol to clean the laser lens. If the smoke leaks from the protective enclosure, the fan and the smoke outlet might be blocked by the dust. Clean them from time to time to ensure the proper smoke exhausting. If you cannot move the protected enclosure up and down smoothly, you can apply grease to the two sides of it. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's fun, exciting unboxing video of our xTool F1. And if you want to see other unboxing video of other accessory of F1, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao!